Now, the best pre-launch content doesn't just tell people about your ebook and what it is. It actually helps them visualize the transformation they'll receive by using it. So in this video, I'm going to share the exact goals of pre-launch content, the types of pre-launch content you can have, and what I use when I'm launching my own info products and ebooks, and examples you can use to create pre-launch content for your ebook that sets your audience up and pre-frames them for your sale. Hey guys, my name is Dawn Marie and I'm here on YouTube documenting my own journey of starting a digital product business from scratch, mainly ebooks and templates, and I'm taking you along with me to show you behind the scenes of what that looks like. Plus I also share what's working for me in my own business that maybe you can take away and apply in your own business as well to sell your own ebooks and digital info products. And I also break down my marketing strategies to give you helpful tips and ideas. So if you'd like to join me, then I hope you'll stick around and consider subscribing to the channel. Now, before we dive into the video, I do have something that's going to be very helpful and useful for you to make your journey much more easier. And that is my 10-day action plan to launching and selling your own ebooks. That's going to give you a focused plan for getting started with your digital info product business. It's free to access and I've put the link in the description box below. Plus, I'm going to share how my digital product launch social media toolkit can make your launch easier. These templates are designed to help you speak to your audience before you launch your offer, build excitement, and also drive sales. Now, if you want to take a look, you can find the link in the description box below. Now, let's start by talking about the goals of pre-launch content. So what really should your content do when you communicate it to your audience? The first and most obvious thing is that your audience needs to know that your ebook exists, right? Of course they do. So your pre-launch content is going to introduce your ebook and also set the stage for what's going to come. So when they know about your ebook, you also want to start helping your audience visualize the transformation that your ebook promises. Now, I know that there are many types of ebooks on the market, but the ones that I am mainly speaking about are those that teach something. So non-fiction ebooks or info products. Fiction ebook authors could take away a few things from this video, but I'm mainly speaking to those who teach something as a non-fiction ebook author. So if your ebook solves a problem or it helps your audience achieve a goal or learn a new skill, they need to see themselves benefiting from your ebook after they have read it. And you really need to emphasize this in your pre-launch content. You also want to use your pre-launch content to start pre-framing the value of your ebook. Before you even mention the price, you want to show them how valuable your ebook is by highlighting the benefits and the results that they can expect. So this way you start shifting your audience's focus away from the cost of the ebook and onto the results and the benefits that they will likely gain when they read it. When prospective customers clearly see how your ebook can solve their problem or improve their life, price becomes secondary. It feels like a no-brainer investment rather than an expense. Now, another goal of pre-launch content is to earn the trust and also gain credibility. So whenever I launch my own products, I'm always telling my story. I'm also telling them why I created the product. So this way they start trusting you, and then when there's trust, they're more likely to buy from you. So one of the things that I love doing is painting my own struggles at a time before I figured everything out, because I know that my audience is currently where I was. So I want to show them that I really understand their struggles and what they are going through, because this was me before. So that way my content becomes relatable, and the way that I position my ebook and products actually make them see how it can be a solution. So you also want to use your pre-launch content to answer common doubts, for example, or concerns about the topic or product that they might have. So later on, I'm going to share with you the types of pre-launch content that you can include in your own pre-launch, so you can see how you can answer those doubts, myths, or even concerns to help build confidence and remove hesitation. Now let's talk about the types of pre-launch content you can create during your pre-launch. The goal here is to educate, inspire, connect with your audience while gently preparing them for your launch. Here are a few types of content that I like including. I love including storytelling content. So I would let my audience know why I created the ebook or the product and how it actually ties in to my own personal journey. I really like including my own stories of challenges that I overcame, which if this is what my ebook is about and it's helping them overcome the same challenges, then sharing my own story, my own results is going to automatically make your audience feel like you have the answer to their problems. Now, I don't do this as much as I should, but you can also take your audience behind the curtain. You can show them what went into creating the ebook, show them the writing process, the research that you did, or give them maybe sneak peeks into your content. I mean, one of the things that I really do is I offer them a peek into the content so they can see what's in store for them, what's to come. And a really big part of a pre-launch is definitely teaching your audience something small but valuable that relates to the topic of your ebook. So for example, when I wrote an ebook about doing affiliate marketing without a huge website, I taught my audience a little bit about affiliate marketing and blogging, like a quick win. So something that they can implement right away. And then also Q&As, they are 100% always included in my pre-launch content because I know that people will have questions. So I like addressing common misconceptions or frequently asked questions. So it helps them to overcome any objections or hesitations that they might have. I also recently launched my Sell with Email toolkit, which was about storytelling email templates that my audience could use in their own launch. And I shared a case study that broke down how I used the templates as well in my business to achieve a particular result, and that worked really well. So you might think about how you can share examples of how the strategies in your ebook have worked for you or for others. So I think this really adds credibility and helps your audience really visualize the results that they could get. Now, before I wrap up, I do want to make this video a bit more practical by looking at a few examples so you can really understand what I mean. So let's say that you're selling an ebook about how to start an organic vegetable garden. So your pre-launch content, that might include a story. So you could share why you started organic gardening. Maybe it was to eat healthier or save money. So maybe you could share a quick tip, right? You can teach your audience one thing that they can do today, like how to test their soil or choose the right vegetables for their garden. And what that will do is establish your authority and your expertise in the topic. So you could also share behind the scenes content. So you could show your own garden. You could share a snippet from your ebook, a checklist of essential gardening tools, and then throw in some Q&A so you can answer questions like what's included in your ebook, who is it for, how can they implement what you teach. So the goal is to create content that inspires your audience and helps them visualize the success and really gets them excited to learn more about your ebook. So this approach that I just outlined is exactly how I approach my own ebook launch, my own templates, digital info product launches. So when I write my pre-launch content, I'm doing it with my audience's own needs in mind. And that brings me to my digital product launch social media toolkit. So these templates, they are designed to help you communicate your own pre-launch to your audience on social media. So it's the exact pre-launch content that I use when I'm selling my own ebooks and products. So if you're not sure what you need to say, then these already give you the words that you need. So you're just really filling in the blanks and then copying and pasting it into your own platform. It also comes with Canva graphic templates and a 30 to 90 day pre-launch content calendar as well. So you'll know exactly what to say and when as you get ready for your pre-launch. So if you think this is going to help you, then I'd love if you check it out with the link in the description box below. And all the best with your launch. Please do let me know how it goes in the comment section below. And also, as usual, if you found this video helpful, I would love if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on selling your ebooks and digital info products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.